Susundan lang.
Wala kayo dyan.
Okay, sundan mo lang yung players.
Lagay nga sa electric pan eh. Mas maigulo na.
Game! Game! Let's go! Nawala yung buzzer ko eh. Wemby, 3-pointer! Way out! Jefferson!
Traveling yun ah. Walang...
Sino si Kiet? Kiet. Kiet. Sino yan? Arwin! No good. Out of bounds.
May 40 lang. 44 lang.
Ay, di, ano, 8 minutes.
Step by step po.
Hindi, na. 8 minutes lang. Jefferson, drop pass. Gitna. Kuya. Oy! Rebound, 63. Arwin. 2-pointer. 2 points. Arwin.
Gagamitan yun eh.
Gitna. Offensive rebound, Madi. Jumper by Madi, 2 points.
Player din ni Daniel yan eh. Kasi ano, si ano,
Hit. Step back. Short. Lead pass. 2 points. It's good for Kuya. Sige. Nice pass. Oy, foul move.
kaya pala hindi masagad kanina. Oo, yun yun.
2 points, Nino Cruz. Ano score natin? Ay, sige, ano, all four.
Kawawa sa'yo.
Madi, 3-pointer! Short! Uy! Soft touch! Awa!
No stress ba? No stress ba yan?
Don't stress tayo ha. 8 minutes. First half and second half. Elvis. Pass to Erwin, K-drop. Veteran smooth.
Erwin, kakampi ni Arwin.
Erwin, Prila, 2 points. Score, 4-6. Mati, in and out. Kalog. Arvin. Pressure defense. LB, gagawa. Pasok Kiet. Nice rebound. Reverse. No good. Offensive rebound. Kiet drop. Bank shot. By Kiet. 2 points. Oy! Transition offense. Gian. 2 points by Gian. 3 points. Short. Out of bounds.
Out of town.
Out of town. Same ball.
Shot!
Erwin.
Yun ah.
T-drop Kid. Nino. 2 points. Madi. 2 points, Madi. Score 10 minutes, 10, 12, 11, 12. Arvin. Another jumper.
Sige, yung malaki ah.
Out of bounds.
Sige yan, bago ah.
3 minutes and 59 seconds first half.
Ah, sige.
Score 10-13. Kit, 3-pointer. Elvis. Wow.
Ganda ng bali.
Baling acrobatic shot by Elvis. 2 points. Wemby.
O, tabi, o, tabi.
Wemby, 3-pointer. Elvis. Diretso. Pass to Kit. Kit. Drop pass. Arvin. Nice move. Jefferson. Rebound. 2v1. Good. Jefferson, 2 points. Steal. Wemby. 2 points.
Mamaya, kasama mo dyan. Good, good. Player ng UP.
Pickpocket.
Ayu ang pala.
Pickpocket by Madi. Madi, hesitate. Wemby. Fade away. Kobe. Wemby. Elvis. Up and under.
Bakbak ka!
Last 2 minutes, first half. Change court time mamaya. Teardrop. Too strong. Oh, nice shot, Gian. Back shot by Gian. 2 minutes and 13 seconds, first half. Kit, back shot, no good. Too strong, malakas. Pass to Mati. Floater. Jefferson. Hassel. Foul. 1 minute and 47 seconds. 18-15 in favor of the offensive team. Wemby with the ball. Mati corner. Gian. Madi, fake. Speed drop. Too strong. Nice pass. Kit, Nagisa. Oy, nice finish. By Kit. Score. 18-17. Isa na lang. MB. Way up. Foul. 18-17. Isa na lang ha. 1 minute and 14 seconds. First half. Gitna. 2-pointer short. Rebound. Harvey. Ay, Elvis pala. Elvis. Jesse. Oy, acrobatic. No good. 1 minute and 2 seconds.
Ganda ng paasa.
Madi. Bank shot. Arvin. Pass to Elvis. 3v2.
Tira na.
4B. 2 points Arvin. 45 seconds. 20-19. Madi. 3-pointer. Soft touch. 3 points. Madi. Madi. 10 points for the first half. Oy! Nino. Pass to Arvin. Foul. 24 seconds. Arvin with the ball. 22 seconds. Erwin. Corner. Short. Out of bounds. 15 seconds. Arvin, sidestep. Nice shot.
Uy, di na to.
Binato. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Second half tayo.
Counted, counted.
Counted?
Oo,
Sino yan?
Bay namin niya. Lahat kami.
Okay, okay.
3 points.
Wait lang, wait lang. Sino yung nakashoot doon muli?
Ito.
Ninyo. 2 points. 2 points, no?
3-3.
Ah, 3? 3? 3 points daw. Game, game. Change court tayo, change court.
Change coach daw.
Okay, go.
Ba, oras na.
Running time tayo na. Uy! Erwin! 3 points by Erwin. Good for 3. Tatlo, 26-23. Nino, Pascomati. Kay Gian pala. Uy! Nice follow up! Good! Transition offense. Steal. Uy! Steal track. Grabe, Mati. 3 points. Inbound. Asuninho. Oy, drop pass. Side step. Nice connection. Arvin and Nino. Jefferson, put back. 2 points. Jefferson. Erwin. Tumira. Malakas. Lamang tayo 5. 25-30. Arvin, gagawa! Uy! Wemby. At si JR. JR, up. Good, good, good. 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Last half, second half. Last quarter. Madi, long two. Black. Elvis, pass to Arvin. Arvin. Power moves. 2 points. Madi, give back. Boy, easy 2 points. For Wendy. Arvin. Dire-diretso. 2 points. Oy, Jefferson. Put back. No good. Arvin. Possession, transition offense. Kick. Left shot. Left-handed shot. 31-32. Isa na lang. Una pa lang.
Tagal tatay eh.
Tagalin natin.
Tagal mo ba siya?
Tagal eh.
Sige. Running time tayo. 5 minutes and 4 seconds.
O, labas, labas.
Labas, labas. 32-31. Chance to take the lead. Nice. Going hard, no good. Offensive rebound. Oh, no good. Mati, lead pass. To Jefferson. Wala? Hindi na shoot? Ha? Shoot? Oy! Dalawa ulit.
Arvin.
Ay, isa ulit, isa. Arvin, 2 points.
Put back.
Put back tayo. Magi. As to Jefferson, supply.
At sa muna.
Oy, kanila pa rin. 2-pointer. 2 points by Madi.
Foul.
Labas na agad, running time to.
4 minutes. Arwin. Pasok ni Gian. Oy, lost it. Gian pala, ito pala, Gian. Pass to Wemby. Wemby. Oy, bad pass.
Nilabas pa eh.
Elby! Good. Good. Tatlo pa rin ang kalamangan ha. 3 minutes and 28. Ay! Saba! Madi, 2 points. 33-38. Kit, long two. Too strong. Arwin! Bank shot is good. By Arwin. Wemby. Behind the back. Oy, check. 2v1. Arwin! Nice shot. By Arwin, 2 points. 37-38. Isa na lang. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Next game natin, senior. Tapos next game is midget. Out of bounds. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Arwin chance to take the lead. Oy! Sayang! Wemby! 3-pointer! Lakas! Nino! Pass to Elvis! Elvis! Play up! No good! Offensive rebound! Put back! 2 points by Nino! Change favor! And change favor again! Everson. Arwin! Oy! Almost. Wemby. Oy, nice check. Nice defense. 1 minute and 23 seconds. 1 point lead. Wemby.
Stepping.
Another 3.
Stepping.
2 points lang pala, 2 points. 39-42. Hit. Aso Erwin. Erwin. For atay. Walang atay. Gian, 3-pointer. All good. Wemby, isa pa. For atay ulit. 3 points by Erwin Prila. Tie game.
Lupit mo, Kuya Erwin!
32 seconds. Chance to take the lead. Madi. Bang! 3 points by Madi. 19 seconds. 15 seconds. Pantabla. Oy!
Ganun,
10. 9. Oy, nice check. 7. Stop tayo, stop. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 3, 4, 1. And nice game. Ang final score, 42-45. Okay. Next game tayo. Tawagin natin yung mga players na kapalitan. Hindi, senior muna, senior. Ay, may reset na lang. Reset. Senior muna tayo, senior. Marami kasi tayong senior eh. Next game na yung next game yung legit ha. Nakalista. Priority natin yung nakalista. Si Maui, si Tyrone, si Vasquez, Laraza, Mandawan, Rain, Vicente, Jehan, Arwin, Erwin, ay, wala na pala si Erwin. Si Arwin pala nakalaro na. Si Rico, wala. Si Philip, wala. Si yung mga tinawag ko, dito tayo sa gitna. Dito tayo sa gitna muna, yung mga tinawag ko.
Wala.
Tyron, Maui, Vasquez, Naraza, Mandawan, Rain Vicente. Rain. Dapat dito si Wendy? Diyos ko Lord, ito pala eh. Gusto daw, kalaban ka daw na eh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. Wait lang, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dalawa. Dalawa. 2, 4, 6. Ito. Sana. Ready ka na ba? Nasa practice ka na? Okay. 2, 4, 6, 7. Bash! 8. Ito. 9. Wait lang. Mamaya, sabihin nyo sa akin pag di pa kayo nakalaro, mga senior ha? Third game. Game! Okay, match up tayo, AJ. AJ, si Mati, ito ba? Ay, dalawa. Malakas manunod yan, sobra. Ito. Ay, kailan ba isa? Hindi, marami pa hindi nakalaro. Wait lang. Isa doon. Wait lang, ito. Madami pa doon. Isa.
Ayun ka, bakbak ka dyan.
Next tayo, midget ha. Okay. Game. Boss, kayo na lang ni AJ pala. Siya pala. Dalawa kayo. Kayong dalawa. Sige. Kayong dalawa.
Game ka lahat yan.
Okay. 8 minutes tayo. Dalawa.
Pre, paano naman ako? Pa-video ako.